What's up guys, welcome to Superwowstyle. This is Prachi and in today's video I'll be doing a really fun makeup challenge. So I'll be trying to do a full face of makeup, festive makeup using just one palette, okay? So it'll be a festive look and you know what I'm thinking, if this actually works out well, it could be such a travel friendly option because obviously just one palette for the entire face and also super budget friendly too. So the palette I'll be using is the NY Bae 3-in-1 Face Palette. The colors are highly pigmented, super blendable, and as you can see, it has matte and shimmer parts. It's so beautiful guys. So obviously we have a blush, a bronzer and a highlighter. And now some of you might be wondering how will we do an entire face of makeup because you only have blush, highlighter, bronzer. So for that we'll have to get a little creative here. So a bronzer can be used as an eyeshadow very well. If you just know how to blend it, I'll show you how to do it with your fingertips, and I'll also make a quick lipstick using the blush. So starting with the makeup, I've already washed my face, applied my serum and sunscreen, and I'll just pull my hair back because you know you don't want that coming in the way. Now starting with the lips, I'm just gonna apply some petroleum jelly on my lips first. You can also use a regular lip balm, and then taking a little bit of that blush on a brush, I'm gonna dab this gently on my lips while the petroleum jelly is still settling down. So just dab till you have a nice full color of lipstick on your lips. Over this, reapply your petroleum jelly or lip balm to complete the look. And for the cheeks, I will just pat down a bit of that blush. Make sure you don't go too high up on the cheekbones, just keep it natural and flushed. And then moving to the bronzer. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit near the hollow of my cheek, it nice and well for that airbrush natural look. I'll also apply a little to the sides of my nose for a quiet contour. Now using it as an eyeshadow, I'll just put on my eyelids using my fingertips. Do this slowly and gently guys, it's very easy. And then just adding a little bit of that highlighter for that extra shimmer. It adds that glitter and glimmer and just makes your eyes pop out so easily. And now using the highlighter on the high points of my cheek and nose. So just gonna dab this in, blend, and I think we are done. That's my full face of makeup guys. And to think of it guys, he completed this entire look using just one palette guys. It's amazing what a good palette can do for your face, for your makeup game. It can be such a game changer. So in case you're wondering about the NY Bae 3-in-1 Face Palette, I will put the link in the description box below. It's available on purple.com and the MRP is rupees 375, but purple.com is currently having the Purple Diwali sale. It's a limited period offer lasting only till 15th of October, so hurry up. You can get this apart from other NY Bae bestsellers at amazing prices. Amazing discounts are going on guys, so check out all the details in the description box below. It's available on purple.com. and as for this look in itself, don't forget to let me know in the comment section below what you think about this look, about this makeup challenge. And yes, also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel guys, turn on the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Superwowstyle for more. This is me Prachi signing off now. Bye bye.